Hey guys, what's up? This is my third video.
Hey, shout out
I guess my neighbors or something's doing some fireworks. So okay. So hey guys, shout out to subscribe to Carter's World. Okay, so thank him for getting all my YouTube channels and all that stuff done. So okay. So I'm gonna do something when I get like 10 likes, 100 likes, 200 likes, 300. I'm gonna do challenges, like who can fit the most Skittles in your mouth, and like like yeah, like marshmallows. Yeah. So okay, guys. See you later. Subscribe.